under normal circumstances, you won't come by this place called the Strand Station. It's because of the maintenance work at Waitemata. So we have to take a shuttle, tap on off the card, and it's a free shuttle because it's just one charge. And when you come here, you tap on again at this machine here, and it will take you to your destination. I am going on the Eastern Line today, and it's called the RBE bus that I took, and the timing from here is only slightly less than the timing from Waitemata. So instead of 38 minutes, they said 35 minutes on the train. So I'm waiting for the train to start off from here. So this is a place that under normal circumstances you will not come. The bus stops us there, and then we walk around and up this ramp here and pay at that machine, the blue machine there, just tap. Look at the rough waters, if you can see. I believe I've gone hiking somewhere up there before, many years ago. So this is the Orakai area, the first actual stop from the Waitemata, and I noticed now they call Waitemata Waitemata. They call it Waitemata now instead of Waitemata, but that is the actual train station area in the city center. So now I should be right back on track the usual way until I get to Manukau via Silver Park. This is the Silver Park area. It's a shopping center, and it has like two sections, one on the right, one on the left, and you just need to walk barely 2 minutes to the actual shopping center itself. And the Japan Mart is still there. I can just see it right now. Wow, what is this? So colorful. They look like old trains. Silver Park is halfway, midway from Waitemata area to Manukau, 5 stations away, and then another 5 stations to Manukau. It has taken me approximately 18 minutes for the first 5 stations, and that explains why it takes about 38 minutes from Waitemata under normal circumstances, because earlier on I came from the Strand, so that actually supposedly 3 minutes less than from Waitemata. Since we have to tap on off each time we hop on and off the train, so I asked if I would like to exit at Silver Park, I will tap on and off. How about the total amount of the ticket that I have to pay for? Will it be similar? Do I pay half and then another half charge, or is it the same price one way through? If that's the case, the hopping on and off will mean double the charge. And is it exactly also half the charge each time I go on and off? Nobody could answer my question. I've asked 3 different staff. Nobody knows the answer. So therefore, I can't advise you either. I have arrived at Otahuhu. This is Middlemore Hospital at Middlemore Station. The temperature now is 60 degrees Celsius, and there's a change here for the airport link bus and the red color Southern Line. So we are arriving at the station called Puhinui, and we just bypassed Papa Toi Toi earlier on. So this is Puhinui. So now the time is already past 35 plus the initial minutes there where I left the station of the Strand. It took me still 38 minutes. It's not faster than from Waitemata. Now the thing is, I must compliment is the bus that left for the Strand station. They say they should leave at 11:37. It did, and then the train from the Strand also punctually left at 11:57. So they are very punctual here thus far. And this is the Manukau station. So I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Can like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.